What do you do if your Google Maps is not working on iPhone? Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how we can solve if the Google Maps is not working on iPhone. Now, many reasons could be happening that this is currently occurring on your device. So before we jump right in, just make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. If Google Maps is not working on iPhone, there is definitely a way to fix this. To fix it, first of all, we go ahead and then check. Now, Google Map usually requires location permission. So if you have not enabled location permission, open up your settings and go to privacy and security. Then from there, go to location services, turn location services, look for Google Maps here and also select always. So it will always be able to use your location. Now, once you've done that, you can just go to settings and then from settings go to the option called general again, then go to iPhone storage, then simply search for the Google Maps application, then offload the app and reinstall it again. Last but not the least, go to your app store, search for Google Maps over there, and once you search for Google Maps, check if the app has an update, and you'll see the update button if it requires an update, and after that it should be able to work just quite well. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.